In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track remote teams in QuickBooks Time. Whether your team works across cities or simply outside the office, we'll use real-time tracking, time entries, and reports so you can see who's on the clock, confirm hours, and keep payroll accurate. First, let's open QuickBooks Time. From your QuickBooks dashboard, click All Apps, then choose Time. From there, selecting Time Entries, Who's Working, or Schedule opens the QuickBooks Time experience. If you manage multiple locations or roles, make sure your user permissions and filters reflect the team you oversee so you only see the people and jobs that matter to you. To check who is actively working right now, click Who's Working. You'll see a live list of employees who are clocked in remotely, along with the job or customer they're assigned to and their current work status. This view updates in real time, so it's perfect for quick stand-ups or workload checks. If something looks off, like someone on the wrong job, you can follow up immediately and adjust assignments. Next, review time that's already been logged. Click Time Entries to see daily and weekly hours submitted by your remote team members. Use the date selector to focus on a pay period, then scan the start times, end times, and totals. Look for gaps, overlaps, or unusually long shifts that could signal an error. A quick audit here prevents headaches later and keeps your timesheets consistent across the team. For attendance and leave, head to Time Off. Here you can track absences and vacation or sick requests from remote employees, ensuring your records are clean and consistent. Keeping this up to date helps you plan coverage, manage deadlines, and maintain fair, transparent time-off practices. When you're ready to analyze the bigger picture, click Reports. Open time by employee to see totals per person, or time by day to understand daily patterns. These reports help you spot productivity trends, identify capacity issues, and support staffing decisions. Apply filters like date range, groups, or customers to zero in on what you need, and compare periods to see how workloads shift over time. Finally, approve the hours. Click Approvals, review the submitted time, and sign off once everything looks correct. Approving locks in the hours and helps prevent incorrect or unapproved time from slipping into payroll. Make this a routine before each pay cycle to keep everything accurate and compliant. QuickBooks Time makes it easy to monitor remote teams in one place. Hours, attendance, and productivity all connected. If this helped, like, subscribe,